Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is A Visit to a Village. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn how to write a paragraph. In English for grade 4, I have already taught you paragraph writing. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to read a paragraph as a large, meaningful unit of expression, to recognize that the main idea in a paragraph is carried in a sentence called the topic sentence. Other sentences in the paragraph support the topic sentence and recognize each paragraph in a text as a separate, meaningful unit of expression. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Zilzal, verse 1 till 8. When the earth is shaken with its final earthquake, and when the earth throws out its burdens, and man will say, what is the matter with it? That day it will declare its information about all what happened over it, of good or evil, because your Lord has inspired it. That day mankind will proceed in scattered groups, that they may be shown their deeds. So whosoever does good equal to the weight of an atom or a small ant shall see it, and whosoever does evil equal to the weight of an atom or a small ant shall see it. Allahu Akbar. My dear children, this verse is telling us about the day of judgment. And you see, subhanallah, beta, Allah tells us everything. This first verse, the first is the opening sentence, and Allah is telling us what this surah is all about. It is about the day of judgment when the earth is shaken with its final earthquake. So this is how we started, and this is how whatever is going to happen on that day is Allah is mentioning in detail. And the very important thing we are getting from here, that an atom's weight, good or bad deeds, will be judged on that day. So beta, we should not consider any good deed like it's just a small thing. No, on that day we don't know the reward. Maybe for that small deed we will have a big, huge reward. Okay, and likewise we should not consider a petty thing. So it's just a small thing, I can lie or I can do this bad stuff, because Allah knows everything. Okay, so we will remember all the message throughout this beautiful surah, and I'm telling you the way Allah has explained it, we'll learn that to practice in writing today. Okay, so first you tell me what is a paragraph and what is a topic sentence. Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember that a paragraph is a series of sentences, right? It's a series of sentences that are organized and are all related to a single topic. So in a paragraph, we talk about a single thing in a series of sentences. Paragraph can contain many different kinds of information. A paragraph could contain a series of brief examples or a single long illustration of a general point of view. But in everything, whatever you're writing, the main thing is it should be about single topic, and you will write in a series of sentences which are organized. Organized means the thing which is happening first, you should mention it first. What comes after it should follow by it, right? Okay, so what are the parts of a paragraph? The first sentence or the opening sentence is called topic sentence. The opening sentence tells what this paragraph is going to be about. It tells what the paragraph is about, and it comprises of 1 or 2 lines. So next is the body of the paragraph contains the discussion about the topic in detail. It consists of supporting sentences. Okay, so what you have mentioned in the opening sentence, in topic sentence, you'll keep writing about it further, and it may consist of 3 to 4 lines. And next is the last sentence sums up or concludes the discussion, and it is called concluding sentence. So whatever you have mentioned, where you are going to sum it up. It comprises of 1 to 2 lines, right? This is how we write a paragraph. The first is opening sentence, then we write whatever the information we are having, and then we conclude it. Okay, so let's see what does your book say about it. A topic sentence gives the main idea of your paragraph. Supporting sentence is support the topic sentence, and concluding sentence sums up the paragraph and tells the reader that you have finished your discussion. This is the example. It is mentioned in your book. Here it's a simple paragraph. Let's read it. My father bought a house last March and we liked it very much. You see, this is the announcement of the topic. That's why this sentence, my father bought a house last March and we liked it very much, this is opening sentence, right? Now, after opening sentence, whatever you are writing, it's supporting sentences. It is located in Taxla near Kanpur Dam. However, we cannot see the dam from our house. Our house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a TV lounge, a large kitchen and a dining area. We also have a car porch and small garden. These are all the details. So these are supporting sentences. Now, the last sentence is, we are very happy to own a house and hope to live there for a long time. So this is what is this? This is concluding sentence, right? So this is how we write a paragraph. The example is there in your book. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, I'm going to check it. So it's our activity time. What we are supposed to do, again, this task is given in your book. First, we'll do an activity. What the activity is, you will interview a classmate who belongs to a village and ask the following questions. Note the answers based on this information. Okay, so these are the questions you will ask from your classmate who is from a village. Write, note down the answers, pause the video, complete this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, now the information which you gathered through this interview, you are going to write a paragraph. And this paragraph, write a paragraph on life in a village. So you collected the information, write a paragraph, pause the video, write a paragraph in your notebook, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope all of you have written a beautiful paragraph. Wonderful. So it's time for your homework. You will write a paragraph about life in a big city and label its components, means topic sentence, supporting sentences, details, and concluding sentence. And there are 2 worksheets. The first worksheet, my dear fellow teachers, these worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide student with printed worksheets. The first worksheet is comprised of multiple paragraphs, and my children, I want you, the topic of this article is same. On one topic, there are 3 paragraphs. You will read each paragraph and you will connect it. So this is how, for the same topic, how we write multiple paragraphs. This is your reading stuff, and here is writing material which you are going to do. This is the guideline. Here you are going to complete a paragraph of your own choice, right? So what we have learned, we learned that a paragraph consists of a topic sentence, a series of supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. We practiced writing a paragraph, and we also learned that each paragraph in a text is a separate meaningful unit of expression. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, read a paragraph as a large meaningful unit of expression. To recognize that the main idea in a paragraph is carried in a sentence called topic sentence. Other sentences in paragraph support the topic sentence and recognize each paragraph in a text as a separate meaningful unit of expression. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah.